Opo. Tama po. Thank you po.
So, eto na yung PR package natin from Garnier. Natanggap ko to from Garnier because of brand definition. So, tara! Buksan na natin. I'm so excited. Let's go! Hala, sige. Manggigil ka. Bango. Ang bango na. ASMR. Kasi madami. And this one is Garnier. And we have a lot. Ay, madami nito. This one. So, we have. So, magkaiba pala siya yung sleeping mask. And water gel. This one. Akala ko pares lang. So, magkaiba din. Oh, pares lang sila. Bright and zero. So yeah, sleeping mask. Also, this one is water serum. Oh, water gel. This one is yeah. So gel wash, Garnier. We have this one, and this was your sunscreen. We have sunscreen. So this, ang dami nito, Garnier. Kasi ito sa akin. Thank you so much, Garnier. This one.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Pang matagalang supplies na to. Oh my God, thank you so much.